Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel unwanted hold baggage with Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is how can you create an account on Easyjet? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar type easyjet.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Easyjet. Once you get into the official website, check the top right corner and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to cancel unwanted hold baggage with Easyjet. So the first question is, can you cancel unwanted hold baggage with Easyjet? Let's find out. Now, the easiest and cheapest way to add your hold luggage is to do it online via our mobile app when you book a flight. So you can also add them after you've booked in managed booking or during online check-in. So that's one of the first ways to letting you know that you can actually add further hold luggage to your booking after you've booked or during the process of booking. But in the context of this tutorial, it is after you have booked, right? So let's say during the process, let's say online, or let's say in the process of booking your flight, or you used managed booking and you added your hold luggage and you're trying to think of the option of canceling unwanted hold baggage. That's not possible. If you're thinking of that, then that's not possible. You only need to add another hold luggage, but you cannot cancel the existing one that you have added. Now, purchasing your bags online is cheaper. Any bags not purchased online in advance or that exceeded the cabin bag allowance will need to be placed in the hold, and you'll be required to pay an airport bag fee up to 45 euros per bag. Now, when you add luggage, hold luggage to your booking, we add a bag to all sectors on your booking. Now, once you've booked hold luggage, this is it. We are unable to offer you a refund should you change your mind. And if you want to buy hold luggage for only one sector, you can only do this at the airport. So if you've already checked in, and you can still add, you can still add hold luggage to your booking in managed bookings. I'm going to show you how to get to managed bookings. And once you've added your luggage, simply print your boarding passes. So you cannot cancel it, and they will not be able to refund it if you change your mind. So the only thing that you need to do is to buy another hold luggage using the same process. So head over to Easyjet, click on manage bookings. And once you click on manage bookings, it's going to take you to the manage bookings window. So over here, you're going to have to select view bookings. And once you view bookings, just go ahead and enter the details of your bookings. And so view bookings. So you're going to add the details of your bookings. That's your booking reference number and whatever details that they're going to ask you to provide rather. After doing that and you find your booking, you're going to see a lot of options. And one of them is the option for you to add a hold baggage. So you simply cannot cancel an existing hold baggage. You just need to add a new one and pay extra for it. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.